Oh, I have a lot of people that come with me. I hope none of them not come in at that big building there, you know. Come and got dirt them, so let them go on. Them no hear me say no come in on my building. Alright, let them go on, man. Make them go on. Come like a team down there say, where that man come from? I say a desperate youth. Street sniper. Run. Run me around, you know. I run for my life. Must get a gun. Anytime I get a gun, I murder man. Low and dirt boy you go get. Wow, me get attacked. Boy, run yourself, you know. Run yourself. Dirt, me go dirt this one. Yoink, yoink. Yoink him. Dirt. One more. Friend this, you know. Friend that. Okay, yeah, boy, out here, man. One more. Come to me. Okay, girl. Know yourself, boy. Know yourself. So come back. Come like everybody is dead out, me not see nobody a fight again. Oh, go on. But let's talk about the people that a fight. Fight. Leave up the field and go for them. Only go for them. That's the one here? One here? You behind me now? Boom! No! Yeah. Alright. I hope none of them not push me now. Oh, I'm straight dead, so I'm not active yet. I'm straight dead. They might push me now. That's them there. That's them there. Look at this dude, the AI. He's an AI Batman. Boy! Yourself, boy. No, yes. You know, some don't know the reason why they put in AI in our games still. I like say, them don't make no difference. Them just easier to kill. Them not have aim but them not have nothing. Alright with the henchman them at least them serve a local purpose. Them you push you when they're ready. But the AI but them don't make no sense. All thing I see them do I like shoot you through all three. I don't know how them see to do all them thing there. Let's see how them see. So them need to do something about this AI them. Take them out of the game, them don't make no sense. Totally kill the game to me. You know, so them can bring back gun like scope AR, them gun that they chill, them gun that they cool still. They like them gun though, them can bring them back still. Deagle. Yeah, that's the next gun where you can bring back. If I use them in the next coming season, them can bring them back still. I like them gun then. More than that idiot pump, yeah, lame. But I prefer use it than use it that still. And one thing make the top better, it more it fire more better and it take more damage. But anyway, I prefer use the pump still, but pump trash, I swear. Pump trash. They need to take it out next year. If they don't take it out next season, I'm done with Fortnite, I swear. Them can load the heavy and the purple tack still. Them gun there. Gun in a butt. Especially purple tack. Purple tack no butt still. It can work with. But them need to take out the pump. Pump are the main thing. Instead of them, how them make you can upgrade the pump them to like you can update the blue pump to the purple pump, and you can upgrade your pistol to a diesel. Them should make it the other way there. You know much more better. Cause we don't pump the regular. So them can do that still. Wish we could have searched it. Alright. Shut my mouth, you know. Boat there, man. Sniper and fire. Oh, go on. Who fire that? I bet you when I reach close to the boat, I'm not gonna see it. Nah, go see nothing, you know. Let me see what I'm going. Dog shit. Trash. My aim is pretty bad today.
Nope. Nope.